Let's paint Elena, the swift and vigilant healer who brings hope to the free peoples of Middle-earth. In this series, we're painting all the models from Fantasy Flight's Lord of the Rings Journeys in Middle-earth, using only the speed paints from Army Painter's Most Wanted set. The goal? Fully painted models in just a few evenings, with a simple, beginner-friendly method that still looks great on the table. We're starting each one with a zenithal prime. Full details are in the priming video. Start with Crusader skin for the face and hands. Paint the trousers with a coat of Murder Scene. The tunic gets a layer of Zealot Yellow. For contrast, paint the cloak with Beowulf Blue. Use dark wood for the boots, leather armour and harp on her back. For a soft silvery hair tone, apply Holy White. Paint the harp strings with Pallid Bone. Use broadsword silver for the short sword and dagger pommel. Give the tunic a second coat of Zealot Yellow to strengthen the colour. Elena is ready to bring hope to the board.